Hi. Hello. How are you today? I'm doing great. What about you? I'm good, thanks. I've been trying to become more productive lately. That's a great topic. Productivity is something everyone wants to improve. Exactly. Sometimes it feels like there aren't enough hours in the day. I know what you mean. But often it's not about having more time. It's about using time better. That's true. What do you think is the first step to becoming productive? Setting clear goals. Why is that important? Because if you don't know where you're going, it's hard to make progress. That makes sense. Successful people usually have clear daily, weekly, and long-term goals. I think planning helps too. Definitely. I like making a to-do list every morning. Does it really help? Yes, it keeps me focused on important tasks. I should start doing that. Another productivity killer is procrastination. I struggle with that sometimes. Most people do. How do you avoid it? I break big tasks into smaller steps. That sounds useful. Small tasks feel less overwhelming. I often delay tasks because they seem too difficult. That's very common. What else helps productivity? Limiting distractions. You mean social media? Exactly. A quick 5-minute check often becomes 30 minutes. That's so true. I try to keep my phone away while working. That's a good habit. Exercise also helps productivity. Really? Yes. Physical activity increases energy and focus. I've noticed I feel more alert after a workout. Exactly. What about sleep? Sleep is extremely important. Many people sacrifice sleep to work more. But poor sleep often reduces productivity. Quality matters more than working long hours. Absolutely. I think staying organized is important too. Very important. A messy workspace can be distracting. A clean environment helps maintain focus. Do you think multitasking is productive? Actually, no. Really? Research shows focusing on one task at a time is often more effective. That's interesting. When we multitask, our attention becomes divided. That explains why I sometimes make mistakes. Exactly. What motivates you to stay productive? Remembering my goals. That's powerful. Every productive day brings me closer to them. I like that mindset. What motivates you? The feeling of accomplishment. That's a great motivator. Completing important tasks feels rewarding. Definitely. If you could give one productivity tip, what would it be? Start now. Simple but effective. Waiting for the perfect moment usually leads to delays. My advice would be to stay consistent. Consistency creates results. Exactly. In the end, productivity isn't about being busy. It's about doing the right things efficiently. Well said. Thank you. This was a productive conversation. It certainly was.